Kira. Yeah, good job. They come from a blowhole. Good. So all those sounds are coming from her pushing air out of her blowhole there. I want you guys to hold your hands like you're holding a ball. Go ahead, wiggle those fingers. Good girl. All right, now take your hand. We're going to chomp like an alligator. Go ahead, chomp, 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 chomp. Little chomp, little chomp. The bug is about 80 to 100 teeth in her mouth, but she swallows all of her fish whole. Don't you? There you go. Good job. So they swallow everything whole because it makes it faster to eat out in the open ocean. But she has one set of teeth her whole life. So when she loses the teeth, she doesn't grow another one like us. All right, we're going to play a game with her. I want you guys to get fishing rods out. Ready? We're going to reel her. And we're going to cast her out. Go ahead, cast her all the way out. As soon as she pops up, we're going to reel her back in. Okay, here we go.